After so long, we get something special regarding the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and this time we get the official look of Galaxy S23 Ultra. To my surprise, it is way too early to comment on this look, but the sources are confirming the design and frame of Galaxy S23 Ultra. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra first look was out on Twitter, where this user shared the images and stated his sources confirm this is an EBT unit of Galaxy S23 Ultra, but retail unit of Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with a curvier display. But this was already leaked that Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with a flatter display, and if these images are true, then we might see a complete flat display on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, no curve at all. Although this looks good, just looks a bit thicker compared to the S22 Ultra. As he stated, this is an EBT unit and we get a curvier display on a retail unit, but how much curved will it be? As according to the sources, it will not as curvy as S22 Ultra. So to say the least, it will be somewhere in between complete flat display and the Galaxy S22 Ultra's display. Let me know in the comments, did you like this much flat display on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, or you want to see some curved edges on Galaxy S23 Ultra? Not just we are getting a new flatter display on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but we are also going to get a new display technology on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is a new LTPO 3.0. Now why is it so special? Well, as per rumors, the new LTPO 3.0 will give you a peak brightness of 2200 nits, 200 more than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and way more than what we have seen on the S22 Ultra, which is 1750 nits. But things didn't stop here. This new technology is 45% more power efficient than the last generation, so we can get some amazing screen on time on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. As by adding a new technology, Samsung also worked on its durability, which makes it even better. The new Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which is almost 54% more durable than the last generation, and it is built for harder surface, where in the lab test it can hold about 1 meter drop on a harder surface. By adding this on the front, Samsung is also going to add this glass on the rear cameras to keep them safe if you drop your phone, and this will improve the quality and the low light imaging on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The mighty 200 megapixel camera sensor will have this new glass, and the new 200 megapixel camera also going to see some amazing new features, as it is getting better in the night photography and packing new features including the 8K video recording at 30 FPS and 4K video at 120 FPS. Samsung planned to launch Galaxy S23 Ultra in the earlier Feb, where Samsung held the Unpack event in San Francisco. If you guys want to see the real 200 megapixel camera sample of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then you guys should watch this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.